First organ we'll talk about is brain. Have you ever considered how powerful your brain truly is? It's a question that may provoke thought, but the true depth of its implications is often overlooked. Our brains are not just organs within our bodies. They are the very essence of our existence, the conductors of the symphony that is our lives. In fact, it's a marvel, a testament to the wonder of nature and evolution. The brain, this 3-pound mass of jelly, controls everything we do, every breath we take, every emotion we feel, and every complex problem we solve. The command center directing the symphony of our bodily functions. The brain is made up of billions upon billions of neurons, each like a tiny star in a vast neural galaxy. These neurons are the fundamental units of the brain, communicating with each other through electrical and chemical signals. It's through this intricate dance of signals that we are able to move, think, remember, and even dream. From the time we wake up until we fall asleep, our brain is in constant action. It's represent our own personal supercomputer, processing information faster than the blink of an eye. It's responsible for our ability to learn new languages, solve complex equations, create art, and feel the full spectrum of human. Even when we're at rest, our brain is busy at work. It's during these quiet moments that it consolidates our memories, heals our bodies, and prepares us for the challenges that lie ahead. It's a ceaseless worker, ensuring our survival and success. Your brain has descripted with about its parts, and it is in your head. Cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem are 3 main titles of your brain. Let's get started. So, what makes up this extraordinary command center? Well, our brain is primarily divided into 3 major parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and the brainstem. These 3 parts work in harmony, each contributing to our everyday activities and experiences in their unique ways. Let's start with the cerebrum, which is the largest part of the brain. It's like the CEO of a company, making all the high-level decisions. The cerebrum is responsible for our thinking, reasoning, and voluntary movements. It's the part of the brain that makes us, well, us. It's where our personality, creativity, and intelligence reside. When you're solving a puzzle, painting a masterpiece, or even just deciding what to have for breakfast, you can thank your cerebrum. Now imagine you're walking on a balance beam or dancing to your favorite tune. The part of the brain that helps you maintain your balance and coordination is the cerebellum. It's smaller than the cerebrum, sitting just below it at the back of your brain, but it's equally important. The cerebellum ensures that all your movements are smooth and coordinated. It's like the choreographer of a dance troupe, ensuring every move is executed with precision. Finally, we have the brainstem. This is the part of the brain that takes care of business without any conscious effort from us. It controls automatic functions like breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. It's like the unsung hero of the brain, tirelessly working behind the scenes to keep the basic life functions going. And one more thing, the dopamine, DA, which is called reward and movement regulation in the brain. It is primarily produced in the brain. The location is near the brainstem. So there you have it. The cerebrum, cerebellum, and the brainstem, each with their unique roles, together form the amazing command center that is our brain. It's a complex and fascinating system where each part works in harmony with the others, contributing to our thoughts, actions, and experiences. Actually, I don't know why, but most people who claims they are expert is not talking about nerves in your brain. These nerves has relationship with your eyes, nose, face, and jaw muscles, ears, cochlea, tongue and pharynx, heart, lungs, stomach, head and shoulders, swallow and talk. But now you know that. Let's learn about your pituitary gland. Did you know there's a tiny structure in your brain that controls a lot of your body's functions? This minuscule yet mighty component is called the pituitary gland. Often referred to as the master gland, it's about the size of a pea, but don't let its petite size fool you. This gland is a powerhouse that plays a pivotal role in the body's functioning. The pituitary gland is nestled at the base of the brain, just below the inside of cerebrum. Think of it as a command center, sending out instructions in the form of hormones to various parts of the body. These hormones are the chemical messengers of the body, carrying crucial information from one set of cells to another. One of the critical tasks of the pituitary gland is regulating growth. It does this by releasing the aptly named growth hormone, which plays a crucial role in cell reproduction and regeneration. This is essential for the healthy growth of children, and it continues to play a role in maintaining healthy tissues in adults. Another important hormone that the pituitary gland releases is the adrenocorticotropic. This hormone controls the adrenal glands, which are responsible for releasing hormones that regulate our response to stress. Don't worry. In the next lessons, you will learn about adrenal glands, which is about your kidneys. So, next time you're feeling stressed, remember that it's your pituitary gland that's helping you cope. The pituitary gland is also responsible for other hormones that regulate functions like blood pressure, metabolism, and even reproduction. For instance, it releases hormones that stimulate the ovaries and testes to produce sex hormones, playing a key role in fertility and reproduction. In essence, the pituitary gland is like an orchestra conductor, guiding and coordinating the functions of various body systems. Though it may be small, its influence is far-reaching and profound. It's a testament to how intricate and interconnected our bodies truly are. Despite its small size, the pituitary gland has a massive impact on our body's overall functioning. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating influence of the pituitary gland in our next scene. Then we have the thyroid-stimulating hormones, or TSH for short. As the name suggests, TSH stimulates the thyroid gland, which is located in your neck. Don't worry, we will talk about thyroid gland in the next lessons. This action controls the production of thyroid hormones that regulate your body's metabolism. Everything from how you digest food and burn calories, to your heart rate, and even your mood. But wait, there's more. The pituitary gland also controls the production of prolactin, that is, stimulates milk production in mothers. It's also responsible for the release of follicle-stimulating hormones and luteinizing hormones, both of which are key players in the body. The former influences the growth and maturation of eggs in females and sperm in males, while the latter triggers ovulation in females and testosterone production in males. And vasopressin, or antidiuretic hormone, ADH, and oxytocin. The former helps regulate water balance in the body, while the latter plays a role in childbirth and breastfeeding, as well as social bonding or physical touch. All these, each with their specific functions, by this tiny gland at the base of your brain. So while the pituitary gland may be small, it's safe to say it has a significant role in our bodies. So, how do the brain and the pituitary gland work together? Let's dive a little deeper into how this works. Picture a grand orchestra, with the brain as the conductor and the pituitary gland as the principal musician. The brain, like a skilled conductor, sends signals to the pituitary gland. This communication is achieved through a network of nerves and blood vessels. And what about the pituitary gland, our principal musician? Well, it responds to the brain's signals by releasing the appropriate hormones. These hormones are like the music that fills the concert hall, reaching every corner, every organ of our bodies. They play a vital role in regulating various body functions, from growth and metabolism to reproduction and stress response. But what's truly remarkable is how these two parts of our body work in sync. If the brain is the conductor, setting the tempo and controlling the rhythm, the pituitary gland is the responsive musician, producing the right hormones at the right time, in the right quantity. It's a harmony that's essential for our well-being. So there you have it. The brain and the pituitary gland, each with their unique roles, but working together to create a finely tuned system that keeps us healthy and thriving. It's a testament to the incredible complexity and precision of the human body. The brain and pituitary gland, a powerful duo, working in harmony to keep us healthy and thriving.